If your AI voice sounds like this,
and you want to make it sound like this, then this video is for you. Today I'm going to show you step by step how to edit your AI voice to make it sound super realistic. Almost like a real human. So realistic that people will actually wonder if they're listening to an AI voice or a real person. This video is especially for those who are asking about my voice, so let me tell you, this is the same process that I use to edit my AI voice. So don't skip any part, because today I am going to walk you through this entire process in depth. We'll choose an AI voice and I will edit it live in front of you and transform it from a robotic voice to sound like a realistic human. At the end of the video, I'll also share some important information about AI voice monetization, so don't miss that part. Let's begin. The very first thing that we need to start the voice editing process is the voiceover. And to find the voiceover, come to ElevenLabs from the link in my description box. After signing up, add your script here. I added the demo script. And to select the voiceover actor, come to the voices option here. Either you can design your own custom AI voice, or if you want to select from pre-made voices, come to the voice library, and you'll find a lot of voices. Choose your AI voice and add it. After this, come back to the text-to-speech option, and here you'll find the voice you've just added or created. So choose that voice. As a demo, I am choosing Charlie's voice. This is the voice I used in my first video. Adjust your voice settings, generate the voiceover, and download it, just like I did. Now finally, we are going to edit it, the part you've been waiting for eagerly. For this, you don't have to do much. Just import your AI voiceover in this application, Lexis Audio Editor. You can download it from the Play Store for free. And if you have no idea how to import the voice, simply click on this Open button. Open from the File Manager. Then look for Recent Audio, and the AI voice you have just downloaded will be in front of you. Just select it, and it will be added. As you guys can see, our AI voice has been added. Let me first play the voice so you can get an idea of how it sounded before editing.
Look at this channel. It's making simple health-related videos and getting millions of views.
This is the before version, and I'll show you after version after the editing. Now what we're going to do next is add effects to this voice. And for this, first off, click on the three dots, then click on effects, and the very first effect we're about to add is called change pitch. This step is completely optional. The reason I used it is because I wanted to make my AI voice sound unique. So if you also want to change your voice, you can use this effect. Just click on it. As you can see, it's set to 1 halftone, and this is how it works. If you move it to the negative side, it will make your AI voice sound thicker. Let me show you by playing it.
It's making simple health-related videos
and if you move it to the positive side, it will make your AI voice sound thinner.
Look at this channel. It's making simple health-related videos.
Now, you can adjust it according to your preference depending on how you want your voice to sound. I wanted to make my AI voice sound a little thicker, so I adjusted it to 1. You can move it to 1 or 2 at most, depending on your choice, but don't increase or decrease it too much beyond this, because then your AI voice may start sounding really weird. Once you're done with the settings, save the preset just like I did. And next time, when you want to apply this effect, just select it from your preset, and it will be applied automatically. When you're done with this, click on play to check the effect. After finalizing, click on apply, and it will be added to your voice. Our first effect is applied. Now it's time to add the second effect. Again, click on 3 dots. Go into effects, and our second effect is going to be change tempo. Click on it. Let me first show you how it works. When you increase it, it sounds like this.
It's making simple health-related.
Basically, what it does is it increases the speed of your AI voice. And you don't need to increase it more than +4. Keep it at 1, 2, or 3. If I show you my preset, you can see I never increased it more than +3. You can adjust it according to your preference. For now, I'm going to go with +1, check its effect by playing it, and then click on apply. Our second effect is also done. Now we are about to add a third effect, which is going to be this change speed. As you know, most AI voices sound kind of slow, so this is simply to increase the speed of AI voices. Just click on this, keep it around +1 to +2, don't go too far, otherwise it can start cutting off words. Check its effect by playing it, and after you're satisfied, click on apply. So far we have applied 3 effects on the AI voice in total. The change pitch effect was to change the voice and make it sound unique. And the other 2 effects that we have just added were to increase the speed of the AI voice. If your AI voice is already at the right speed, then you can skip these. One simple tip, the settings I've shown you so far and the upcoming ones are tailored for this specific AI voice, so they may not work for your voice. Just follow the steps and adjust accordingly. Thanks. So, if your voice is okay, such as at the right speed, and you just want to remove the robotic touch from your AI voice, then you can skip these 3 steps. Instead, you can directly move to the main effect, Equalizer Amplifier. After adding your voice, just select it and you'll witness an interface like this. Let me quickly set it to the default settings. So basically, you are going to see this type of interface, with all bars set to equal. If you increase the left 3 bars, it will add bass to your AI voice.
Look at this channel. It's making simple
Similarly, if you increase the right 3 bars, it will add treble to your AI
Look at this
voice.
channel. It's making simple health-related videos and getting...
Now what you have to do is balance out all these settings. How can you do this? Just simply play your voice and keep moving these bars up and down while listening to your AI voice. And when you think your AI voice sounds good, then just go with those settings. It can take some time, but it is not that hard. Down here you can see this pre-amplifier option and what it actually does. If you increase it, it will raise the volume of your AI voice. Let me show you. As I increase this, and you can check it from here. Before, when it was at 0, the voice was around 13 decibels. And the moment I increased it, you can see it rose above 13 decibels. Ideally, it should be around 8 decibels. So if your voice is around this, your settings are correct. Once you find your settings, you can save them as a preset. As you can see, I have saved all these presets, including the voice I am currently editing, so I'll apply it. The volume is high, so I'll adjust it to around 6. Now it is fine. Let's see by playing it.
Look at this channel. It's making...
It sounds good. Now let's apply this. The main effect is applied. Now coming back to the effect, we are going to apply the 5th effect. Just click on the compressor. Let me first reset it to the default settings to show you the changes I actually made. Everything is the same. I just made a small adjustment to the threshold option. All you need to do is adjust it, ideally between 14 and 18. Set it and play your voice. Once it sounds correct to you, save the preset and apply it. Now we're 80% done and my hands are tired too. But we're close to the ending. It's time to add the last effect. Simply click on reverb. These settings can be a bit confusing, but there's no need to worry. I'm here to guide you. Since there wasn't any option to reset the settings, let me just show them to you as they are. First, adjust room size as if you're selecting the size of the room you're in while recording. Adjust it based on your needs, ideally around 150. Keep the reverb time between 4 and 6 seconds, and set the damping around 50 to 60. Set the input bandwidth to 0 and the dry level to 0. As for the reflection level, let me play it to show you how it affects your voice.
It's making simple health-related videos and getting millions of views.
Now that you have an idea of what it does, adjust it to around 25 to 30. Similarly, set the tail level according to your preference around 20. If you don't understand it, you can copy my settings in case they work for your AI voice. I won't sue anyone, so when you are done with your settings, play your voice after applying them. And when you are satisfied, save them as a preset, just like I did here, by the name of your AI voice. Let's apply this. The reverb effect has been applied. Finally, our AI voice editing is complete. The super realistic AI voiceover is ready. Let me play it for you.
Look at this channel. It's making simple health-related videos and getting millions of views.
This is how you can edit your AI voice and make it super realistic. When you're done with editing, simply save this voice and make sure to save it in Save with File Manager. Otherwise, you won't be able to find it again. As the screen was rotating, I skipped this part. Now all you need to do is import this to your editing application and use it for your content creation purposes. Let's do some important talking. Look, I showed you everything related to AI voice editing. I didn't cut any part. Now it's up to you how you make it work for your voice through experimentation. And the main point, it is not necessarily compulsory to edit your AI voice to get accepted for monetization. You can monetize your channel even without it, as long as your content has a human touch. You can do the editing if you want to make your voice sound unique and different. Moreover, it's not compulsory to edit every AI voice because some AI voices don't need any editing and are already of good quality. Now, you have learned the AI voice editing process, but it will be multiplied by 0 if you haven't watched this video. Like, if you don't know how to make an AI voice speak your script the way you want with human-like emotions, then you have just wasted 8 minutes now. Click on this video if you want to get their value back.